first and foremost, happy Women's Day to
you.
all the independent and beautiful women here. And so I'd start with my first question. What significance does Women's Day hold for you?
So one day in a year which we can celebrate for the women exclusively.
Okay.
However, we need to celebrate it every day. But yes, one day.
Okay.
For me, it's actually to show that we appreciate what we do as a woman. Actually, not only for our family, also for the society and globally for the world. It is a day to celebrate women, so I think it is to go and appreciate each other or the women, maybe in your family or at work. So it gives them a sense of appreciation, credibility to what they do.
Perfect. What are some common challenges do you think that women face in this industry? So basically, the common challenges that you come across in woodworking and interior designing industries.
So I think it's not. You don't see a lot of women, so that could be challenging. It could be intimidating to be in a place full of men.
What are some
Women are the best in that when it comes to the designing part, because women create home. So they can definitely make a right home for you, for anyone. So that's one. Of course, going to the construction part or the site work, as she said, dust and other thing. More than that, like uses of bathrooms, because most of the places are very under constructed, not very clean, not very hygienic. So that is a challenge what I have seen in the Indian market.
What message do you have for the women who are to enter into woodworking and interior designing industry? So if you had to give one tip or a message to them, what would it be?
Don't worry, just pull up and show up. That's all.
Not to be scared to actually show their talent, be confident, and of course they actually have more details and in a lot of things, so they can contribute actually very nice piece, design or any idea for the market basically. So as women, we are able to understand what another user wants or what they to create a wonderful product. I think that understanding is very important. As a woman, we have that already. It's just about being confident with it and taking it forward. There's nothing to get scared. I think it's full of opportunity. So you just have to be in the right mindset to tap into it.
Those are my questions. Once again, wish you all a very happy Women's Day.
Thank you.